Hey guys, this is Dee and welcome back to my channel. So it's been almost 2 years since when I first uploaded my Habits for Clean Home video, and things have changed so much since then. Back then I was pregnant in my third trimester and I had a year-and-a-half-old baby. Now I have 3.5 year and 1.5 year old baby who are literally running around creating the mess, and it is so difficult to keep the house clean with two toddlers all the time at your home. And I sometimes feel that they're literally at my back when I'm cleaning and creating the mess again and ruining my good work. So it is difficult to maintain a clean house, but there are certain things that definitely you can do, and there are certain habits I would say that I follow to keep and maintain my house clean, which is what I'm going to share with you guys today. So my first tip is to break down your tasks. Now, how I do it in terms of cleaning is that I have broken down my entire house into two halves. So the first half is 3 bedrooms and bathroom, and the second half is drawing, dining and study. And day 1, I'll clean all the bedrooms. Day 2, I'll clean the other half of the house. Kitchen, I clean every day because it's a high traffic area and this is where we spend most of our time during the day, and kids eat there, so the floors are really messy, so I clean that every day. So just breaking down the task, you can attend to each and every part of your house every alternate day, and you don't have to do a huge mammoth cleaning job in one day. So my next tip is to have one load of laundry every alternate day. I used to have one load of laundry every day, and I thought that was too much of a task on daily basis, and also doing it all on the weekend was too much stress on the weekend. So what I do now is do one load of laundry every alternate day, and because I hate folding the laundry, what I do is as soon as the clothes are on the rack, they are dried, I just fold them while standing next to the rack. I'll fold the clothes, put them into the laundry basket by segregating them into the different family members pile, and then they will go off to their wardrobe. So this really helps. If you put them on the floor or if you put them all into the laundry basket thinking you will fold them later, that later really in my case it never comes. So this is how I declutter my home from clothes lying here and there. So try this out, this really works. So my third tip is to set up your kids' room Montessori style. Now Montessori style really encourages to set up your kids' room in such a way that they learn practical life skills. Say for example, setting up their wardrobe so that your toddler can put their clothes back or they can take them out themselves. So this way you never have an issue of what to wear, because they can access and they can bring their clothes themselves, whatever they want to wear. Also, I have installed a rack near my entrance where my toddlers, whenever they enter the house, they take off their shoes and put it onto the racks. Same goes for their school bags as well. They access the same rack and they put it on there. Another example would be to, once they're done playing in their room, they will put back the toys. So let the shelf be accessible so that they can put them back. This will not only help you as a mom in daily chores, but this will also make sure that your child is learning the important practical life skills. Tip number 4 is to purify your indoor air. A clean home is not only that looks clean from the surfaces, but is the one that breathes clean as well. On average, we breathe the same air for about 12 hours. This air gets polluted because of multiple reasons, ranging from the spraying, cleaning products, dusty carpets, poor ventilation, lack of chimney in the kitchen, molds, dampness, unclean mattress or furniture, pet fur, etc. results in unhealthy environment. So don't just focus on cleaning the surfaces at your home, focus on cleaning the air that you breathe in as well, and there are many ways that you can do it. The easiest way to bring clean indoor air is by letting fresh air in. So cross-ventilate and open doors and windows for at least an hour each day. However, apart from this, you can also use beeswax, camphor, salt lamps, essential oils and indoor plant purifiers. Tip number 5 is to minimalize at least once a year. It is so important to minimalize your wardrobe at least once a year. I suggest following KonMari method to declutter and organize your wardrobe. Take out all the clothes and go through the clothes and decide what you want to keep, throw or donate. I also like to do it with makeup, kids toys, as it really builds up. My next tip is to install a shoe rack near your entrance. I personally have this issue of shoes lying everywhere once you enter the home and they are not put away immediately into their designated places. So what we have done is for our daily shoes, we have installed a shoe rack just next to the entrance, and this way we don't have any excuse. We just come in, put our shoes into the rack, and there is no shoe clutter on the floor. And I have also installed this rack for my kids, and they're too young to open the other cabinet and kids like to follow us, so I have installed this kind of open cabinet for them where they put back their shoes just like us. Tip number 7 is to invest in few but good cleaning products. Always remember, less is more when it comes to cleaning products. So always have as less as possible. I use this cleaner these days, which I buy in bulk 5-liter pack, and I use same liquid pretty much on every surface of my house, including kitchen and bathroom. Also, investing in a good vacuum and a mop really makes your life easier. So always remember, do not have a lot of different kinds of cleaning products because that will just complicate the process. Have less, as less is always more. Tip number 8 is to keep kitchen and bathroom counters clear at all times. Having too much on the kitchen and bathroom counters not only make them look cluttered, but they're also difficult to clean as compared to clean counters where you can simply wipe and go. It's such an obvious tip, but it's so worth mentioning as it makes such a difference. Tip number 9 is to make your bed. I know, you have heard this tip millions of times before, but it is so important and it is so helpful in lifting up the mood, so I have to mention it. Also, do not keep too many pillows on your bed as it will slow down the process and high chances you won't make your bed every day. So keep your bed minimal and clutter-free too. My last tip is to have a nighttime cleaning routine. This is the time when kids are sleeping and you can really catch up on pretty much anything you want, like post-dinner kitchen cleaning, thinking about tomorrow morning's breakfast, taking out kids' clothes, your clothes, packing their school bags, etc., and getting organized. Also start dishwasher so that you have clean dishes in the morning and you can start your morning on a clean note. So guys, these were all the tips that I had to share today. I hope you enjoyed them. If you do, please go to my community section and comment there, as comment is disabled on my channel, but you can go to the community section and you can comment there. So please do let me know what you think about these tips, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.